Okay, guys, this is another outfit that I made. So this one is a mini little skirt, and this is a shirt. And guys see I got the sleeves. So this top is made like a circle top, and then it ties in the back. So it is very beautiful. Now I just got to get a lining to put under this part because the sequins does stretch my body a lot. But look at these sleeves. I just felt this was so gorgeous. I got inspired. And then I'm going to make one of these live and show you guys how it's put together. So if you guys are following me, this is nothing but a crop circle shirt that's done like that. And then it is a pencil skirt. So, and then I have the sleeves. So this is very beautiful. And Myra saying, hey, my grandbaby. So yes, so I'll put together something and show you guys how I did this. So again, this is a circle top, okay, and then I put the sleeves on here. So just imagine making a circle top. So it's like that, and then the skirt. I have to do a lining, and that one will be ready. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.